In today's video, I'll show you on how you can activate HyperX 7.1 surround sound. The first thing that you want to do is to simply install their program. Now you want to head over to your Google and search for HyperX software download. You then want to head over to the HyperX Ingenuity software, and then we can download the application by clicking on the download Ingenuity. After downloading, just install it, and you will be required to install additional drivers, and one of those drivers is going to be the surround sound 7.1. From there, just open up the application, which will automatically detect your device. So in our case, it's going to be this device right here. You simply want to click on the audio option, and this window will show up. Basically, inside this page, you have a lot of settings that you can simply edit, but in here we have the 7.1 surround sound option. Just make sure that this slider right here is turned on, and you can also make sure that the auto optimize is turned on, so it will provide you with the best audio possible. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.